How does a boy who started with a few dollars become one of the richest investors in history? Before Warren Buffett became a billionaire, before Berkshire Hathaway, before Apple and Coca-Cola investments, he was obsessed with one goal, making his first $1 million. Warren Buffett once said, "The first rule of an investment is don't lose money, and the second rule is don't forget the first rule." But how did he actually build his first $1,000? The answer isn't what most people think. It wasn't luck, it wasn't a viral business, and it definitely wasn't a lottery ticket. It was a combination of discipline, patience, and a strategy that most people ignore today. This is the story of how Warren Buffett made his first $1,000. Warren Buffett was born in 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska. While other kids played games, Buffett studied money. At age 6, he bought packs of Coca-Cola and sold individual bottles for profit. At age 11, he bought his first stock. The stock fell after he bought it. Most people would panic. Instead, Buffett learned a lesson that would shape his entire career. Short-term price movements don't determine long-term value. Years later, Buffett admitted that selling too early was one of his biggest mistakes. The experience taught him patience. Buffett didn't wait for huge opportunities. He focused on small profits. He delivered newspapers, sold golf balls, operated pinball machines. Every dollar earned was reinvested. Buffett later said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." This mindset separated him from everyone else.